Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to invite friends in Worldcoin app. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To invite friends in the Worldcoin app, start by opening the app on your device. Once the app is open, tap on Mini Apps from the main screen. Inside the Mini Apps section, head to the bottom right and use the search bar to type in Invite. From the search results, look for Invite Friends and Get Rewards and tap on the Get button next to it. This will begin installing the mini application needed to send out your invites. After you've tapped Get and waited for the mini app to install, you'll see an Open button. Go ahead and tap on that. The app may request access to your contacts, which you should allow if you want to send invitations directly. You can then send out invites via text or message, and when your friends sign up using your referral link, you'll be eligible to claim rewards based on their activity. That's it! You've now successfully invited friends using the Worldcoin app. If everything works smoothly, you'll start earning your referral rewards. And that's it! So that's basically how you can invite friends in Worldcoin app. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.